Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to earn money from Sweatcoin without leaving your home. Yes, even if you're not walking outside, you can still stack Sweatcoins and turn them into real rewards. Here is how to do it. Download and open the Sweatcoins app from the App Store. Go to settings on your phone and then go to privacy security and then go to motion and fitness and then toggle the always allow on, and also go to location and do the same thing with the location. Next, this apps count steps and inside your house too. Move around while doing chores, packing during calls, or exercising at home. Sweatcoin counts motion through your iPhone's built-in step tracker, not just GPS. Step place your phone in your pocket or armband to make sure steps are registered accurately. Tap on the gift icon for the daily rewards. This earns you set coins without walking. Use your invite friends link in the app. Each new sign up gives you a bonus sweat coin for every event PayPal offers, and you don't need to go outside to do it. Once you've collected enough sweat coins, go to the marketplace tab, look for PayPal cash, gift cards, or vouchers. These can be exchanged for real money or rewards right from your phone. Keep your phone moving. Even shaking the phone lightly while watching TV or walking in place can count as tips, but don't overdo it. Sitcoin flags unnatural movement if it looks automated. Safety tip: never download Sweatcoin step boosters or third-party modes. They can steal your account or block payouts. Quick fix: if steps do not count, restart the app. Keep lower power mode off, then check the that motion and fitness permissions are active. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.